Okay, so I have my form. Now I want to add some details before I pour the plaster, but nothing too small. So I want kind of a crust edge, so I'm going to take the end of this tool and I'm just going to press it down in. Just kind of get a crust texture on the bottom there. And I'm going to let it come up the sides just a little bit because I want it to be a 3D object. I'm not just thinking about the top, I'm thinking about the sides some. So I have kind of a crust texture in there. It's a little too controlled, so I'm just going to kind of let it be a little more random here. Remember, this bottom here will be the top of my finished project in the end. So there's my texture for my crust for my pie. I could draw press designs into it if I wanted. Do not try to remove much clay though, because if you remove clay, you could poke a hole into it and then the plaster will just pour right out and you won't have a project. But if you do remove some clay, just remove like a little ribbon, like I'll show you, but I'm not going to actually keep it. I just remove a little layer to kind of let it drop down some. But don't go very deep because you're not going to have much to work with. Now, if I don't want that texture, I can smooth it out. I can press it, and that way I'm not removing any clay, but I'm pressing it to get it to drop down in there more. So if you're going to remove clay to add details before it's poured, just remove just a thin layer. Otherwise, just press your design down into the clay. Works much better than removing clay. Okay, so I have my crust and my pie piece. Now, since I pressed this deeper, this pie piece instead of the crust is going to stand up higher. So mine will look a little weird because that's not exactly how pies usually look, but that's all right. I'll go with it. See if I can press that texture just a little more. So pressing your design in works much better than removing clay.